In the most challenging of times, vision can light the way. Benazir Bhutto's unwavering vision for social justice gave rise to the Benazir Income Support Program, also known as BISP, a transformative initiative aimed at uplifting Pakistan's most vulnerable people, especially women. Conceived during her exile and brought to life by Pakistan People's Party under President Asif Ali Zardari after her tragic assassination, BISP was launched in 2008 as a beacon of hope. Inspired by global social protection systems, BISP has evolved into a model of success, now sharing its expertise with countries facing similar challenges. Through cash transfers and initiatives like Benazir Nashu-Numa and Talimi Wazaif, BISP has improved health, education, and the livelihoods for millions. Expanding its focus to skill development and global employability, the program empowering individuals to graduate from poverty, actively contribute to society, and drive Pakistan's economic growth.
इस प्रोग्राम से ये चीज़ एक साबित होती है कि जो बीबी शहीद का विजन था, जो बीबी शहीद का ख्वाब था, वो उसकी जो ताबीर है बेनज़ीर इनकम सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम की शक्ल में, उसकी जो है आज दुनिया जो है उसको अक्लेम करती है, पूरी दुनिया उसको जानती और मानती है.
BISP was designed to provide immediate relief to Pakistan's poorest families, focusing on women heads of households. This was quite a revolution, changing the socio-economic landscape of Pakistan. Today, BISP supports 9.6 million households, with numbers set to grow to 10 million by June 2025. Since its inception, BISP has been at the forefront of social protection. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, the government has raised program funding to a historic 600 billion rupees, a clear commitment to uplift Pakistan's marginalized communities. For over 16 years, BISP has been a lifeline. Benazir Kafalat, the unconditional cash transfers have empowered 9.6 million women households, not just to survive, but to thrive. BISP has learned from the best global practices to provide social security to the poorest of the poor. Today it is not just a national success, but has become a model for other nations struggling with poverty. Poverty-stricken nations now look towards Pakistan's Benazir Income Support Program as the best designed to bridge the gap between haves and have-nots. On 14 November 2024, at the South-South Cooperation event, delegates from Burkina Faso, Niger, Mali and Senegal, along with global development partners, World Food Programme, World Bank, UNICEF, KfW, GIZ, and the Asian Development Bank, gathered to draw insights from BISP and its social protection initiatives, particularly its objective targeting and digital payment mechanism. They came to understand how Pakistan's approach for implementation of social protection could serve as a model, enabling them to replicate the same strategy for the economic uplift of their people. The event was chaired by Chairperson Benazir Income Support Program Senator Rubina Khalid. In his opening remarks, Secretary Amir Ali Ahmed said that today Benazir Income Support Program serves as a backbone of social safety nets in Pakistan.
This, ladies and gentlemen, was the country's first large-scale, targeted, unconditional and conditional cash transfer program that was designed to support low-income families, particularly women. BISP selection criteria is purely based on economic need without regard to political, racial, geographic, or religious considerations. For many women in this program who under the BISP philosophy are recognized as heads of their families, BISP exemplifies Pakistan's journey towards a comprehensive and inclusive social protection framework that values every individual and every woman as an agent of change.
Sam Mete from World Bank was all praise for BISP, from learning from Mexico in initial years to leading many countries in their quest for a social protection program.
BISP has evolved over time. When BISP was first founded,
We actually accompanied BISP officials to Mexico to learn from their programs. I'm very, very proud of the development of BISP, so that it is a big deal. We don't want to take people always to the West to learn things. So for Pakistan to be in this position, I think it is especially important and a pride moment. Delegations that are visiting actually were right on, I think. They observed that it is so important for the government to be on the lead. 2.2 million mothers and children enrolled in National. It is a moment to celebrate, I think.
Speaking on the occasion, Ms. Koko Oshiyama shared her experiences working with BISP.
Starting from the history that Secretary BISP had shared with us, something small but continuously evolving, always enhancing with results. So it's not just to be able to start, but it's to start, to scale, to sustain with innovation for some best practices, building on this inclusive, innovative social protection, which is also nutrition sensitive. So again, I was able to communicate some of us, not just the challenges that we face, but the opportunities. And since that workshop or the conference, I have more visitors lining up that they want to learn from Pakistan and from BISP. So 2025 is looking like another busy year.
Minister Commissioner for Food Security Mali, Redwane Muhammad Ali, applauded the government of Pakistan and Benazir Income Support Program for their role in improving the most underprivileged segments of society.
D'abord, je tiens à dire que nous avons été énormément impressionnés par la qualité du travail qui a été abattu ici pour construire un système de protection sociale intégré, global et intégré. Et autour du programme Benazir, que nous avons pu étudier d'abord sur la base de présentations théoriques, mais en plus avec des voyages de terrain hier et avant-hier, nous ont permis aussi de comprendre sur le terrain exactement le déroulement des opérations, de l'enregistrement jusqu'à la mise en œuvre de l'assistance.
Kinde Samba from Niger's World Food Programme, while addressing the event, commended BISP leadership for achieving remarkable results through its programs for social uplift in Pakistan.
With BISP, you have shown how by listening, by learning, by testing, by adapting, and also by expanding, you're able to meet the basic needs of the most vulnerable. And what has impressed me the most is how with every step, we have put the beneficiaries at the center of everything that we're doing. And it's really a very strong model of South-South cooperation. And I wish you all the best with the future and all your future endeavors.
Representative of Asian Development Bank, Umar bin Zia, cherished the efforts of the government of Pakistan and the team of BISP. Senior Technical Advisor GIZ Dr. Imran Masood briefed the participant about their organization's collaboration with BISP. UNICEF representative Ms. Sharmila Rasool admired BISP for providing the leadership role in South-South cooperation for the social uplift of marginalized communities.
Let me at the outset present commendations to the government of Pakistan for putting themselves out there as a learning platform. And we've heard from the delegates from the visiting countries, undoubtedly there is an evolving South-South partnership here. So congratulations to the government of Pakistan and BISP for getting this started. It is a wonderful partnership to see that is evolving. The BISP program is a program that brings gender inclusion. Getting the money to the women is the smartest move here. So commendations to the government of Pakistan once again from UNICEF, and also to the very able chairperson and the secretary for a great job done.
Chairperson Benazir Income Support Program in her remarks said that the most impressive component of BISP is empowering the most needy Pakistani woman to participate as an active member of our society.
This program stands as a testament to the visionary leadership of Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, who conceptualized this initiative with a deep commitment to empowering Pakistan's most vulnerable segments, especially women. Her legacy of compassion and justice continues to guide us in our mission today. We are also grateful to the President of Pakistan, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, who transformed this vision into reality by launching the Benazir Income Support Program. His dedication to continuing Shaheed Mohtarama's legacy has made it possible for us to stand here today and share the impact of this program with the world. We envision a Pakistan where women are empowered to take charge of their lives, to raise healthy families, and to participate as active members of the society. Financial empowerment has become a critical component of our approach. Through our programs, we are giving women the tools and resources they need to achieve financial independence. Financial inclusion means giving them control over their resources and decisions. When a woman has the power to make financial choices, she becomes an economic force.
Once inspired by the social protection systems of developed countries, Pakistan is now sharing its knowledge with nations across the world. Countries facing the similar challenges are looking towards BISP as a model of hope.
I had the chance to work with the Benazir Income Support on the National program. So when I saw the amazing program and the benefit that this program is bringing, when I returned back into my region in West Africa, I have talked to my leadership about this program, and I have invited them to actually organize a visit for governments that are interested so that they can come to see and learn that we can have truly transformative program that has national coverage. So this is really amazing, and I'm very much looking forward for the government of our region to be able to develop similar program and implement for the benefit of our population.
Benazir Income Support Program Journey from Learner to Leader has become a guiding light for nations striving to adopt a social security program. The successful South-South cooperation event demonstrates BISP as a model of progress and resilience.